to so bi ya mamre ne ya mane yen ya dwene mu no enkrofo bi enfa particular bi so asai ne ti America ne se nana twi kasa ye kan ye wo ho akadi me onana se nyame ya madon na mi ware oba aye mi kente na metutu ne ko shata ne ti se sebe manfrani na wadaroma amamre ne amane no profo dane ani omo yira no omo di twi kasa no kyerɛkyerɛ nkrofo amamre ne omo amane mu ama sebe yeni so omo pese sa amamre no ne yakofo so omo pese yenchi su na yiro yentiase nana sani ya mano na yesi ye ba na se nia besu a kyerɛ sɛ na wadaroma ona aka bi ewo ka bi maye sɛ de be ya omo be jai sani ya mano omo ye na omo bete so kra sɛ bi nana twi kasa na kwa chirichiri aye pɛ nanso no kwa emfa ya mamre ne ya mane ne nka ho ma obi nane no na onfa kasa foforo bi emma ana okrobi amane ne o mamamre emma no onfa twi kasa ne ngedan enkyerechire na wadaroma nkotodwegu fom yesrew kabi maye ye kan so so ye nim se aban su tie aban wadaroma enne ye gina ha yesu ye kasa ye srema enkyirima adwai wadaroma efa nipa pem sini ba ko ba bonten a enipa a eye sini ba ko ho adwuma no eboro wo ha sa nipa dom nyina no se nyame adom sini employ omo a yesra mu mummo adwuma no ho ban emaye protect the film industry for us for no kasa ye wine na wine wudi se di pass mesi ana obentia bodi unemu a we will also share whoa utu ana mo ta mo nye the situation dey you say one active mo ana me ba to question na wo bisa no ya me pesa oti ase no se obi ti me ba bi na otitu kasa na obi abefa ne se bra ba ya adwuma we mame ono de adwuma na hoye we ya sra ne se Emremi wa ye lobby parliamentarians, ye lobby government, yes Minister of Creative Arts and Culture, yes Reno, Emremi wa ye lobby na ye mpacho anything na me the film act na abeya law no pass airline na maye because meaning say e welu nyina no ye den e hihye mu aso pass na say emra no start say e ye adwuma e ho na ne yenim say asemasi afo obetia afo na ye kwa refer to the law na ye no ma ba but say obi no akona okoye da be na de e ho no ye ne ho no ye hwese yes say dem from rebi mra na entimi ba cut all that is going on am I that's one president that's one president that's one president that's one questions are foreign movie and every man must go to culture center mobile establishment no money you see me one and I said and also some mother one okay the question as to say the film players and I said industry players in general you better establish a television station and no can you focus on more family but any TV station na yeah be establishing on a bit me can some problem we are facing yes and say policy anywhere to safeguard or to guide the industry and no na man e basa and until ni na no yes and say the LI should be passing and the LI should be working for us. The government should just allow the LI to come and we're no bar whatever that we are doing it will be protected as an industry. We are only pleading. Yeah, some now put you and now two for any. Yentimi man and ultimatum. Yes, Rani said, and I robot or a question. Yes, when Sapoya know a Omoye, not on Cabinet and my.
Remember to the sister and the former Shafa and Rama Oakman like the method and the former way you looking at Ghana, only on Yard, about 10 and come out.
But your own plan, I won't maintain.
I mean, you follow,
But I remember your maintain. Because meaning say, I wrote it, meaning say, actors, the wasn't to me. And the Ghana, that plan, the new plan. And you know, baby, what is but maybe actors are more Ashanti region. Sabi or more units and no one on a mention of dear. The Yimi so rich me, I can say.
There's a big car, over 4 support 5 years, and the soul will for the mount. I am the
Claire, you have made Claire Mount, or Obian, may say, Obi Chrono, I walk, Obi Chrono, I walk, yes, yourself, actors. I was at the mail.
Now your story writer man shows me.
What's that? Make a baby said, let us name and shame. And somehow what kind of wow. It's young wow. You share some idea filmmaking is a reflection of the society in which you live. Well, don't you come to somewhere? So what? Now then, we kind of story to you or customer was a very good. Papa, my young Tia says, I know me with you. To you, for your 9/11, if it's a Siwa, it's what America. And you just in that natural person. The filmmaking is to project your society, entertain them, educate them, and inform them. So, sir, film na ye ni na no bubu na so ye de ko ya mamra ni ye niema ho bai. So, ye niema ye wo asante ko anasa akanfo. Ye de ko ho bai ye de church. And you tell na me say some foreign culture na omo try to interpret to us through the true dialect. That's what I said. Because ODP, actually, will be said, because mercy, or one way to giant or watching, and say, and yeah, my man, and yeah, my man, it is only 1 year. That's also the you will meet in Islam. Because all the church and Kola 80, everyone for 1 price in 80. You put so 80 now, no 80 have you them. Because a bag of who flow into my plan, now who should be Cabanet from because of the patch on better presence and as a message for talent and not some yeah, that's not sure. Right now! We're actually sending a petition to help us lobby the government to pass the LI for us. You know that the LI, the Film Act was passed to law. We are waiting for the legislative instrument, and we are only pleading that that is enforced for us. That is brought to us because we understand that our industry is just bad. We need a legal protection. We need something that will protect the industry for us. And we think if the LI is in place, definitely whatever that we're looking for will happen.
Do you think the film of is collapsing that way?
I would neither say yes nor no. What we are saying is that telenovela is part of what we do. We've got a lot of series on our television stations that we're using the Twi dialect to do. But our problem and our issue is that if you have a telenovela from the Philippines and it's in English, only use the Twi dialect to interpret. Because when you do that, you more or less are telling us that we should inculcate their culture and their traditions into our system, which is wrong. You understand? We need to project what we have as Ghanaians. We need to protect the industry. We need to protect our traditions and our norms. You understand? So that posterity will not judge us for doing something that is wrong. That is